In this video tutorial, we will see how to print line right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, the first line is having 1 star, then 2, 3 and 4th line having 2 stars, and the 5th line having 5 stars. In the 5th line, the stars are separated with the space character. And 2, 3 and 4, those stars are separated with single space, then 3 space, then 5 space. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this type of pattern, we are going to use if, elif and else statements. If I value is 0, then print a single star. Else print a star appended with space character. The space characters are gradually increased by line in the range of 2, 1, 3 and 5. For that, we are going to use I into 2 minus 1. And at the end of line, there is a single star. So run this file in the terminal, pytriangle.py. We can see we are able to print the pattern. In the 5th line, we require 5 stars separated with the space character. For that, we are going to use elif condition. Elif I value is 4, then print star with a space character 5 times, else print the remaining values. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. You can see we are able to print the required hollow triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of line triangle pattern.